everyone, I'm Marie, a graphic designer. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will be designing these cute little doodles using my Wacom Tablet and transform them into beautiful patterns. I'm using Adobe Illustrator to create these vector illustrations. Let's get started. My first drawing is going to be a flower. So I'm going to start by designing a little circle with another circle around it. Add a few lines just to make it a little bit more interesting. And then draw these petals all around the circle. So here we have a flower. I'm also going to add a few leaves here on the side. So 2 leaves on the left and 2 on the right. I like the ones on the right a little better, so I'm just going to delete the first 2 leaves, select the second 2, use the reflect tool to make a reflected vertical copy. I'm going to drag it over. This is my first design, which I'm going to use to create a pattern, as simple as that. Second symbol is even easier, just 2 hearts, one on the bottom and one on the top. Now I'm going to draw a crown. So let's start with 2 lines, then we're going to add the lines on top and make it a crown, and 3 little dots. To make it a little bit more interesting, we can add a little swirl symbol. Let's start like this. There we go. For my next symbol, I'm going to create a little flower drawing. So let's start with this line with a little flower at the end, and then I'm going to add a few lines coming off of the first one that turn into leaves. Another one here. If you like, you can select any of the strokes and change the stroke type and the stroke width. I'm just going to leave it like it was originally. I'm going to select this floral symbol and make a reflected copy and drag it over. Now I'm going to design one last symbol. So I'm going to draw a straight line and add a flower here on the left and another flower always on the left side. Now we can create our patterns. Select the first symbol. Go to Brushes, New Brush, Pattern Brush. Change the angle to none and then change the method. Click OK and we've created a new brush using our symbol. So now you can create a shape, for example, a circle. Add a stroke color and then select our new brush to create a circular pattern using the symbol that we've created. Change the stroke width to increase or decrease your pattern. I'm going to use this new brush on a straight line as well. As you can see, by lowering the stroke width, the symbols increase because they become smaller. Now I'm going to create a pattern using our second symbol. So as before, I'm going to create a new brush and changing the angle to none, and then applying this new brush to the circle and the line. Here we have the heart pattern applied on a straight line and on a circular shape. I'm going to repeat these steps with these other 3 symbols. So I'm going to select each one of them, create a new brush, and then apply the brush to the circle and the line. The settings are going to be the same for all of my symbols. Here we have the crown symbol, the floral symbol, and last we have this line with the 2 flowers. I'm going to create new brush and use it as a pattern on the stroke. Here we go. This tutorial has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed it, and follow my Facebook page and my YouTube channel. To the next tutorial. Bye bye.